Okay, so for the step two, we have a lot of questions that come up and they give you the outcome and the predictor type, and you have to guess what type of statistical test to use. So, first of all, we're going to see what the statistical tests are. First of all, if there is a continuous outcome and the predictor is categorical. First, remember, we're discussing outcome in the first column and then predictor in the second column. So if the outcome is continuous and the predictor is categorical, then we are going to use t-test or ANOVA, right? Can't, cat, t-test, ANOVA. If both of these are categorical, we can use either chi-square test, odds ratio, or relative risk. I'm going to tell you how to differentiate between these three later on. If if the outcome is categorical and if the predictor is categorical or continuous, you can use logistic regression, right? And then linear regression is linear, so it's going to be continuous throughout. This is incorrectly written, is going to be continuous throughout. So how are you going to remember this? Okay, first of all, for the t-test and ANOVA, you're going to ask yourself, can't cat, can't a cat, right? It's a phrase, it doesn't make any sense. Can't cat, so that is t-test and ANOVA, right? If it's cat, then it's chi-square test. Chi-square test is going to establish an association between two categorical variables. Odds ratio is going to be used in case control studies as well as cross sectionals, right? And relative risk is only going to be used in cohorts as well as in cohorts. Now for logistic regression, you have to remember cat can't. So cat can't, the phrase cat can't actually makes perfect sense. It makes perfect logic. So cat can't is logic. Can't cat is either t-test or ANOVA. Cat can't is logic. Can't cat is either t-test or ANOVA. Cat can't is completely logical. Cat can't is logical. Just forget about the fact that they've written two. It's going to be cat and can't, categorical and continuous. For linear regression, we know it's continuous all the way. Forget about the fact that they've written categorical here. It's going to be continuous all of the way. So this is the cheat sheet that you can employ when it comes to step two. We're going to have a part two in which we're going to review UWorld and we're going to see how we can employ this principle.